Just copy and paste the simple method which I'm going to teach you now and earn money like this. Totally I have earned $843.45 for absolutely free. Just copy and paste the simple thing in your landing page and get your first lead in affiliate marketing. Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks. Before entering into this video, please subscribe my channel and like the videos and share these videos who all are interested in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So you know that to earn in affiliate marketing, landing page is must. Okay, so this is the main thing you have to focus on affiliate marketing. There are three things only available in affiliate marketing. You have to pick the affiliate link. You have to create a perfect landing page, and you should have a perfect targeting audience traffic. This three things, if you have a perfect lineup, means definitely you can earn $20 to $30K per month easily as a beginner. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. Okay, so for creating a landing page, these things you have to focus on it: customer pain point and giving the clear explanation about the product, relatable pictures, and easy call to action. In this landing page only many beginners are struggling. Okay, from now you don't want to worry about it. I'm going to tell you the simple thing which you can apply like me and get the as much as leads from your CPA affiliate marketing. Okay, so first you have to open a CPA marketing platform. Okay, so I'm going to choose this get response website. Okay, if you want the link, I'll give in the description. This is a free software. You don't want to pay anything. For first 3,000 to 4,000 emails you can use for absolutely free. After that you have to get the premium thing. Okay, you don't want to worry about it. Okay, with the 3,000 emails you can earn at least nearly $30,000. Okay, it's a really simplest thing. If you want, you can go for premium also. Okay, first let us choose a product. Okay, go to your Digistore 24. Okay, for example I'm going to use Digistore 24. If you want, you can use ClickBank, Impact, anything. Okay, it's really up to you. Okay, first select a product. For an example, I'm going to choose fitness and health related niche. My personal recommendation is please don't work on health and fitness niche. It's really a difficult things, as I already said to you. Okay, for an example I'm just choosing this, and let me choose this product. Okay, your commission will be $40. So this product price also $78. It's a really cheap product, so basically many people will buy easily. Okay, so just go to a sales page, which means affiliate support page. Go to affiliate sales page. You will get the help to get your pictures regarding the product. You will get the content regarding your product. Okay, you can go for the sales page. Okay, so let us create a template. Okay, related. Okay, you can choose any template. Let me use this. Okay, just choose any template which you like and give the same things which I'm going to teach you. Okay, presentation page. Okay, so first thing is customer's pain point. Customer's pain point is a must thing. Okay, first you have to give the solution to the customers, then only you can easily get the leads. Then only customer will have a trust on you. Okay, in this points I'm struggling, in my struggling points this person is giving the solutions, so this product will be a trustful product, so let us buy this product. Like this people will think of. Okay, so like this you have to create a customer's pain point. Don't worry if you don't know how to get the customer's pain point. Just use this ChatGPT. This is the best tool in this world. Just go and ask a question. Okay, I have asked that. If before going to that, you may get you may get confused because I'm getting a new feature in chat GPT things. I'm getting new features like this. Don't worry, this is simplest trick. If you want to know how you should get the simplest features in your chat GPT, I'll give the link in the description. Please, you can watch it there. Okay, I have asked to chat GPT that in what are all the things blood sugar patients are struggling, give me some points. I have asked like this and click on go. Then our chat GPT is going to give up pain points where blood sugar patients are asking. Okay, so this all things are included here. See, this is a perfect points this chat GPT is going to give you. Okay, so just change the brand name. Okay, you can just give the balanced diet, or in this place itself you can change the things. Okay, for an example, I'm just saying you to add the points which our chat GPT is giving to you. Okay, just copy the first point, paste it here, copy the second point here. Like this, you have to add the images also. Okay, you can add the images also in this place. Okay, I don't want to get you bored by step copying the pictures and replacing it. I don't want to change the things, topics. Okay, just copy and paste the things the chat GPT has given you. Okay, do your own research, and you should spend at least 30 to 45 minutes in your landing page. Okay, so this things and all, it's unnecessary things, you can just delete it there. Okay, then have to give a simple customer's pain point. Okay, at least you should have 10 to 12 customers points. Totally we have got 10 points. Okay, you should copy every customer's pain point and you should add in your landing page. And relatable pictures. Okay, relatable pictures you will get in your affiliate program page. Okay, here you will get the supplementary pictures and everything, so you will have it here. Just you can save it here and go to files and add the picture. Okay, you should create a landing page. Okay, this is really a poor thing. Okay, I'm just doing it as soon as possible because I don't want to spend more time. I don't want to waste your times. Okay, then the last thing is call to action button. Call to action button should be here. Okay, in the last only call to action button should be there. A product here. Okay, like this. You have to give a simple content. Okay, here you should give your affiliate link. Okay, just copy your affiliate link and paste it here. Okay, okay, so everything is done. Okay. So this is really a poor landing page content because as soon as possible I have created this. You have to spend at least 30 to 45 minutes in your landing page. This all the main things you have to focus on is customer's pain point, giving the clear explanation, relatable pictures, and call to action buttons. This all the main things you should include in this. Okay, most of the beginners don't know about how to create a perfect landing page. That's why many people have asked in my comment. That's why I have created a video for it. Okay, I hope you have chosen a better video and you have came to know how to create a perfect landing pages. Then click on save. Okay, just click on save and exit. Okay, then you can go to the editor page. Like this, your content will be here. Okay, so that's all, guys. Okay, so please be patient and create a better landing page. Okay, even though you can change this font and styles, everything you can change on your landing page. Okay, so in the next video we are going to create many we are going to teach many contents regarding AI tools, how you can earn money through AI tools. Like this, we are going to teach many things to you guys. Okay, so if you want to know more about it, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share these videos to your friends and families. And all the best to the private session students who all have got their results. You know, we are running a private session, so if you want to know what is the private session things and how to join everything, I'll give the link in my description. Okay, I'll give my Instagram and Telegram link in the description. If you want, you can contact me there. Okay, until then, it's bye from CPA Hacks. Let me see you in my next video. Thank you.